All right, I want to talk about something about strict performance and time is of the essence, these critical clauses that tend to be in real estate contracts. And I don't want to distract you with those terms. I'm not your attorney, but I'm going to explain why dates can be extremely important and why you can't be casual about them in a contract. Again, always talk to a local attorney, get professional advice. But I want to make you aware of this so you don't accidentally put yourself in this trap. Let's use this example of a home inspection because it's the one that I see happen more often than not. It can be other contingencies too, financing, appraisal, well and septic, water, all those other inspections that can happen. But for a home inspection, here's what happens. Buyer or their agent reaches out and they said, hey, our inspections, the contingency ends tonight at 9 p.m. Sometimes the contract will tell you the time of the day, like 9 p.m., 11:59, whatever. So like it's supposed to expire today at 9 p.m. My clients or their buyers are talking to you saying, we're on vacation, we can't sign anything, but we'll be back first thing in the morning tomorrow. We'll sign them right away and get everything back. We just have a couple little things we wanted to negotiate. And being kind, most sellers are like, sure, that's no problem. That becomes what's called a waiver of conduct. Whether that impacts your contract or not, I can't specifically tell you. I'm not an attorney and I'm not your broker. You're doing it for sale by owner, but I will tell you, don't get into that habit. Just imagine it this way. Maybe everything goes fine. Maybe they sign that document the next day, they send it to you, and you're like, yeah, we'll definitely fix that leaking hot water heater, whatever. But then if there's a problem later, something else breaks, there's a date, and you don't accept it, and you hold them to the line, something blows up, and then there's a lawsuit later. I know this sounds crazy, but I'm just trying to set the mindset of these dates being important. Any attorney representing a buyer is going to go back and look at everything that happened in that contract, make sure that everything's legal, enforceable, and they're going to look for things that were broken. And when you as a seller allowed them to go one more day and basically, this waiver by conduct, I think it's waiver by conduct, the attorney can basically apply, well, why wouldn't they then think you would do that for them in this situation? So whatever you do, dates are important. If you want to help to make sure a transaction is going to stay on time when you know a date is coming up, don't ignore it and hope they just miss it, because very often that's just going to cause you a problem. I always suggest a couple days prior, remind them, hey, that home inspection is due to expire in 3 days. Just want to keep everybody on the ball, so we don't miss any of that. So pay attention to dates. They are not casual. Good luck out there.